Hello everyone, welcome to University around Computer Science and Statistics. In today's lesson, we are going to learn how to install Nmap on a Ubuntu Linux server. As you know, installing anything on a Linux server is a relatively easy process. First and foremost, to install Nmap, we are going to use the package manager to install Nmap. If you recall correctly, Nmap is a free and open source security scanner that allows us to scan and map certain configurations within our network. So how do we install and set up Nmap on a Linux server? To do that, the first thing we're going to do is we have to log into our Linux server. So once we log in, you will be able to run and write a few commands. So in this case, since I'm using the application manager, I'm going to write inside of my system sudo, which means super user do, apt-get, which is going to get the package manager for me. And I'm going to specify install nmap. Once I do that, it will ask me, do I want to continue the download? I'm going to put Y to state yes. And then you will notice that all the packages have been installed successfully for Nmap. Now I need to verify that I have successfully downloaded Nmap and that it works correctly. So I'm going to write Nmap -v, capital V for version. And it should give you the version of Nmap that is currently running on your system. The next thing that I like to do is to do a simple quick scan to make sure that my Nmap is actually working and running properly. And the best way to do this is to run the scanme command on Nmap. So I'm going to do nmap scanme.map.org to scan myself. Nmap scanme.map.org. And it shows me no targets were specified, but I did specify a target. So let's do this again. Nmap scanme.nmap.org. So there you go. It will start the process and it will begin to scan your own network for you, which usually takes a few seconds or a few minutes. Really depends on the speed of your computer and the speed of your network. So once this successfully goes through, I know I have been able to successfully download and install Nmap in my Linux server. Thank you for watching.